Serious warning: why your gas stove is a hidden killer of your family's health. Shocking findings from Oxford. Every day, millions of people around the world do this, completely unaware of the danger lurking right in front of them. Secrets our ancestors knew, but we have long forgotten. Secrets that modern science is only now beginning to prove. With simple yet profound wisdom, our ancestors kept potential health hazards away from their homes. The kitchen and bathroom were always situated far from where they lived and slept. In today's modern world of small apartments, these principles have been forgotten. The gas stove is now right next to our bedrooms, sitting at the very heart of our living space. Experienced masters warned that these changes would trigger a hidden tsunami of illnesses. And today, science is proving them right. Oxford University reveals, the silent killer has been identified. Research reveals that when a gas stove is lit, high doses of two dangerous chemicals, nitrogen dioxide and benzene, are released into your home's air. These substances spread rapidly through the entire home, even reaching the bedrooms. Don't think the danger is limited only to the area around the stove. The first painful truth: in small, poorly ventilated homes, these gases can significantly increase the risk of lung cancer and diabetes. And the second, more jarring point: this danger is twice as high for children compared to adults. Their blood-forming systems and brain development are at risk of serious harm. What is the solution? How can we protect ourselves? The first and best solution is to replace gas stoves with electric, radiant, or halogen models, especially if you live in a small apartment. Always keep a window or door open while cooking. A range hood alone isn't enough. Air circulation is vital for flushing out these gases. Don't think it's only important while you're cooking. Once you're finished, remember to ventilate the entire space, including the bedrooms, to ensure all contaminated air is flushed out. And if you are among those who use a gas flame for specific tasks, replace it immediately with electric appliances. Your health and your family's well-being are more important than anything else. Consuming turmeric and black pepper can help mitigate risks due to their antioxidant properties, but they are not a substitute for the primary safety measures. This is a crucial warning. The health of your loved ones depends on awareness and action. Please share this video with everyone you care about. To stay informed about health and a better lifestyle, subscribe to our channel, Anatomy of Facts, and turn on the notification bell.